Good evening or afternoon, depending on when you're watching this. My name is Brad Micklin. I'm the attorney and managing member of the Micklin Law Group. We are a law firm concentrated in men's and fathers' rights in divorce, custody, and family law issues, with offices in Nutley and Montclair, New Jersey. This is my daily tip series. I've been offline, obviously, for a couple of weeks now due to the COVID-19 epidemic. I do want to first say my condolences to those that have lost family and friends during this pandemic. I know it's been very tough, and a lot of people are going through a lot of things. Even those that haven't lost people are having a lot of changes in their lives, working from home. A lot of people aren't working, so we're there. We understand, and hopefully this will help you. My tip today is, do you have to bring your children to parenting time exchanges during the COVID-19 pandemic virus quarantine? And the answer is going to depend on, first, whether or not there's a court order. If there is a court order, then my advice always has to be, you need to bring your children. You need to comply with the court order. And I understand that may be problematic. I don't certainly want to give you advice that may put your children in harm's way, but if there's a court order, the quarantine doesn't affect that. Courts are still opening and functioning. I will be addressing that in a separate tip, possibly tomorrow. I do recommend, if there is concerns, that you reach out and you communicate with the other parent. Hopefully he or she will be cooperative and understanding, and you can resolve the differences. One caveat to that is, if there's a domestic violence order in place and you don't have communication, you're probably going to need to coordinate that through the courthouse so that there's no violation of the order. That too is still an order and still effective, and you need to comply with it. If you reject that advice and there is a court order, it's important to know the outcome, and obviously you may be faced with either a motion or an order to show cause to compel parenting time. There could be sanctions involved. They may ask for a change of custody, make up parenting time. There's obviously a lot of remedies available. Usually it will not lead to the change of custody, because that depends on a best interest analysis, and while your non-compliance with an order doesn't necessarily impact the children to a best interest standard, or at least on the short term. So it's probably not a change of custody concern you need to have. But don't take that advice as I'm encouraging you to break the order either. Simply try to advise you of your options and the possible remedies if you don't follow them. If you do not have a court order, then you don't have any obligation whatsoever to have the other parent have parenting time. Again, not encouraging that. I think it's helpful and healthy to the children probably to see the other parent. Most cases it is the case. I obviously don't know the specific facts, but you should still take the advice and do your best to coordinate time, to communicate the issues, and see if the other parent will help you resolve them. I certainly hope this information helps you. If it does, please give a like and share the information so others get to see it. I will be doing, hopefully, a tip each day on issues that I think are confronting people during the virus quarantines and the other issues that we're facing. So I'll welcome any suggestions that you have, any questions that you may want to see. I also recently, just a little plug, I put out a book recently that you can get on Amazon.com. It's a book about divorcing and litigating against a narcissist. It's called How to Survive and Thrive When Divorcing a Narcissist. If you're interested in that topic or you have an issue, you can go to Amazon.com, search my name, Brad Micklin, M-I-C-K-L-I-N. There's a Kindle and a hardback, paperback version. If you need that information, certainly hope it helps you. And like I said before I sign off, please issue any questions, comments, or concerns you have that I might be able to address for you. Thank you. Be safe.